Dobro jutro, Europa! Good morning, Philippines! Mabuhay! So, it's time to log in to our tachograph because this is very important. If you a driver, you must have a tacho card and tachograph. This is the law of the European Union. Okay, so first thing to do, you will press your card and then push, okay, and then wait a minute. Okay, I don't know what is the meaning of this, but this is a daily routine. Okay, da means yes. So okay lang yan mga kaibigan. Okay lang yan mga kaibigan. So this is a very important, ha. Don't forget your tacho card, especially to our fellow Filipino here work in European Union. Okay. So yan na. Nakapag-log in na tayo mga kaibigan. So yan. Ito naman ang kilometer. Dapat nililista natin yan. Saka hindi doon sa kilometer ng sasakyan. Dito tayo kukuha ng kilometer mga kaibigan. So sana nakatulong sa inyo. At huwag kalimutan ang tacho card. Okay kabayan. So ito ang aking beautiful Citra Mercedes, made from Germany, Philippines. Dobro jutro, Europa! Good morning, Philippines! Mabuhay!